Hey guys, welcome back to 10 out of 10.
It's the end of the month and we wanted to talk about love.
We're gonna be talking about our favorites of the month, specifically self-love products or self-love activities that we like to do.
I know that being in quarantine and being stuck at home hasn't been easy mentally, physically, and emotionally, and I do hope that in watching this video, we can share with you the many ways that you can also do self-love activities at home as well.
So let's just get to it. So to show myself how much I love me, I take care of my skin. So not just on my face, I also like to take care of my body. I like to have a nice shower at night for myself because it helps my energy to just, relax. You put shower scrub. So this is the one that I have. It's called Rub 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 by Lush. I would give this a 8 out of 10 because I liked really my own DIY version. This is a little bit more on the runny side. This just feels like a cleanser after. So it really just depends on which one you like. So some products for your face, there's like these things here that you can put your cleanser and then go in circular motions as you cleanse your face. Maybe like a 7.5 out of 10. I also have lip scrubs to show you guys. I have two examples here. This is the Mint Juleps from Lush. And then I also have my DIY lip sugar scrub, which I made a video about. So it has 3 ingredients in this. I'll link the video up on the cards up there so that you guys can also make your own lip scrub for yourself. I give it a 10 out of 10, guys. It smells good, all natural. It's literally just sugar and coconut oil. The Mint Juleps, I would give it honestly like a 6 out of 10 because I only really like it because it's mint. But other than that, I can create it on my own. So the main thing is why I do this. So I do this for myself so I can wind down and to sleep better. And also it's like a token that I am taking care of myself, taking care of my body and my skin. And using products that I love that will help me to be happy on the inside as well as on the outside.
The activity that I like to do is doing my nails. And I don't always have the time in doing this, but whenever I do, it just makes me feel good and kind of adds color to my life as well. It's kind of just painting but on a smaller canvas. I get to play with fun colors. I copied some designs I find online as well. And it's kind of like a mental break for me too, because when I'm doing them, it's just the only thing I'm focusing on my nails and no other worries in my life for that moment. And honestly, I'm so bad at doing my nails, but it's something I do for myself, and it's an ongoing reward during that week because whenever I look at it, it kind of just makes me feel brighter and feel more like put together. No matter how small, even this tiny nail, whether you get it done at a salon or even do it yourself, just taking the moment to do something for your own well-being, I'll definitely recommend it.
My self-care / self-love activity is something that I don't know if a lot of people actually do, but I do this every single Sunday, if not once a month. I usually start it with listening to music.
Hey Google, connect to Spotify.
Got it. Here's Spotify.
My self-love and self-care activity is organize. I start off with removing things off my floor so I can vacuum or use Roomba. I like to start the week with a fresh space, clear mindset, and positive energy. Next, I clean the top of my dresser by clearing out the mess, throwing out garbage, cleaning my jewelry, and rearranging everything to its original place. Finally, I change my bedsheet, my duvet cover, and my pillowcases. This is very important to me because I don't want to get pimples, and also it just feels really nice sleeping with new sheets. And of course, I put back Toto's bed with his toys and Toto.
So that is my self-care, self-love activity. Organizing and cleaning up is just very therapeutic to me. I think this is a way for me to you know, love myself. It feels rewarding that I cleaned something, that I accomplished something throughout the day. So yeah.
So my favorite thing to do when I'm doing a self-care or self-love routine is to refill my diffuser with my favorite essential oils, which is, in this case, it's the After the Rain by Sage. And honestly, it smells so good. It makes my room smell calm and refreshing and totally gets me in the mood to just relax and unwind. And after the diffuser has made my room smell nice and refreshing, I like to put on some earphones and listen to some music. And in this case, I just wanted to listen to some calming music because I was doing some work and I just really needed to unwind and not feel overwhelmed. And as you could see here, I just usually listen to my music when I'm sitting on my chair, or even at times I just go on my bed, chill with my dog, and just relax. So the diffuser that I use is from Sage, and I'm not necessarily going to recommend it because it's not the most affordable option. And so I'll link some down below for the more affordable option. It just happened that I was able to purchase this at a discount, so I took the opportunity to buy it. However, I do really like their essential oils, and one of my favorites is the After the Rain essential oil. This is really good and it smells amazing. It has some spearmint notes, peppermint, and also lemongrass, along with other notes that I cannot pronounce. This is the best smelling scent that I ever had as an essential oil, and I really do enjoy it. I would rate this a 10 out of 10.
So one of my favorite self-care routine is to just take a walk. So here I am taking a walk with my dog and my sisters. This was taking on family day, just to be around nature and just take a deep breath. When I'm overwhelmed, I like taking walks. It's just outside my door, just alone or with company. And I see a lot of dogs, other doggos getting walked just like my dog. It's so comforting when I take myself out of the space that I'm confined in, which is my room, the four walls we're used to, and to be outside, because it just reminds me that there is so much more to where we are right now. And you may not even know what you can find. Here we stumbled upon a new place to get lunch, just to pick up something new, eat something different. And I just love taking walks for clarity, for peace of mind. For me, even if it's just for a few minutes, it just keeps me grounded. It makes me feel so much more at ease than the few minutes I had before I took a walk. I am on a walk with my dog. She's doing her thing over here. It's free, it's outside your doors. You can take it as long as you want, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even longer, half an hour. And it just, for me, it just helps a lot with some self-care.
My favorite self-love activity is working out.
Likely to become an Olympic athlete. I mean,
You need to stop Fitness has been part of my lifestyle for almost 3 to 4 years now. I used to go to the gym 4 times a week. At the start of this pandemic, it has been quite difficult for me to adjust. Honestly, being stuck at home for months to almost a year now, I started to make myself, and I'm sure for many people, feel burnt out, drained, unmotivated, unenergized. And I felt like one of the reasons why I felt this way was because I wasn't being active. There are many ways we can still stay active at home with all the gyms being closed during this time. Whether it's going for a walk in our neighborhood, doing yoga. I started to build my own home gym in my basement. And the most popular is watching and following along at-home workout YouTube videos. So it has definitely helped me adjust, and I realized how much benefits it has to my body, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. It helps with relaxation, promote better sleep quality, it helps with your skin health, brain health, and memory. It reduces the risk of chronic disease. It's beneficial to your muscles and bones, increase your energy levels, helps with weight loss for those of you who are looking to lose weight, and of course, it makes you feel happier.
For my self-love activity, I really enjoy playing my music and playing the different instruments I can play and singing as well. So just music in general, creating it. Creating music challenges me and it pushes me to limits where I didn't expect to push myself, but in a good way. I personally really enjoy it because I get to work on myself and work on my talents and get to see the final product when everything comes together and enjoy it.
차라리 잘 된 거야. 그래 그렇게 믿을래. 아주 많은 슬픔들 중에 하나 견뎠다고 조금씩 지울 거야. 그래 그렇게 하면
This activity may not be for everyone because not everyone knows how to play an instrument, but everyone can sing. So I do recommend just singing out loud because for me, singing allows me to express my emotions because I'm kind of bad at that, to be honest. But anyways, that's besides the point. It might not be for everyone, but also, and it's kind of challenging. I really enjoy it, so I'm kind of biased there. Anyways, yeah.
So my favorite way to show love to myself is by journaling. I'm the type of person who could spill so many emotions and thoughts and feelings onto so many pages of my journal. And I really just like to use that as an outlet for how I feel. It's very therapeutic once you get the hang of it or once you make it a habit. When I wake up, it's the first thing that I do, and right before I go to bed. If you're someone who's not really into writing much but still wants to process your thoughts and your feelings, I recommend this journal. It was a gift to me. It's called the 5-Minute Journal. Every day it gives you a prompt of 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that would make the day great, and affirmations for yourself. And then at night, it prompts you to write things that went well in your day as well as things that could have gone better. Writing in this journal specifically reminds me that there is always something to be grateful for, and it's a good reminder just to be patient with myself, and sometimes letting your emotions out is all we really need. So that's me.
My self-love activity is actually making sweets or usually making something sweet to drink. I tend to usually go for either iced coffee, especially when I make it at home and I can make like a cold brew with some lactose-free milk. I find it so delicious and so... it hits the spot, you know, for me. I'll add a little coffee and lactose-free milk and some vanilla syrup, and that is just so good in my delicious Starbucks gold cup that I got from my brother. If I don't go for iced coffee, then I will usually, if I have the chance to, go for the peppermint white hot chocolate at second cup. I just find it's the perfect mix for me to de-stress my mind. I like to do these things because I just have such a strong sweet tooth and it hits the spot right for me.
So yeah, that is our favorite ways to show some self-love and self-care.
I hope you guys enjoyed this collab video with us and that you guys took something away from it.
And also leave a comment on what kind of activities that you do for your self-care routine.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at 10.outof.10.
Remember that you are loved and that you are worthy of love.
I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and until next time, bye.
Oh wait, don't go yet. I have something for you guys. Where is it? Oh, it's right here.